27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a good start. You got a dead boat over by the weed. We got Fonzie in first place, Robert in second. Oh, Fonzie. We got Robert in first place, Fonzie in second place, Holly and John. No, he's over in the weeds. Don't worry about it. Okay, we got Robert in first. We got Fonz in second. We got Holly in third. We got John in fourth. Okay, we had a Steve in first place. Oh, Robert's playing with you. Okay, we got another switch for first place. Last lap, Robert. Last lap, Bond. Dead boat. Oh, he changed it. We got a boycott on the blue boat. Last lap. Okay. Finish to Robert. Dead boat on the corner. On the right-hand corner in lane 4. Holly's coming in for second place. John, you got third place. Please bring him in. Just go ahead and bring it in. You got third place. David, did you get a start?
1 minute, 45 seconds to mill time.
Okay, all boats are in the water. Work the 6-boat heat, make sure that you have your fingers going.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, omitted, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ball on the outside was over. The ball on the outside was over. What color is that? Is that a yellow towel? Yellow and white was over. Don't forget to show me your finger. Robert Kerr. Robert second. Got a boycott. Robert, you saw that boycott, right? Robert Hall's on his last lap. Last lap for Cody, last lap for Mike. Last lap for Nick. First place, Robert. Second place, Cody. Third is Mike. That's fourth for Daniel. Nick's still running. Robert knows the lap for the boycott. Okay, we've got it. Please bring them in carefully.